Hello everyone, my name is Harro Stokman. I'm the CEO of Kepler Vision Technologies. As you understand from my accent, I'm not from here. I am from the Netherlands. The company, we have about 25 employees. My shareholders are the University of Amsterdam. I have 2 professors in machine learning as shareholders. 6 of the team have PhDs. Last week we did a press release where we proudly announced that our 20th patent was granted. And we built software that looks after the well-being of humans, and then especially elderly people. And the company is doing quite well. The majority of our customers, and our customers are elderly care facilities and hospitals. The majority of our customers are in the Netherlands, but we have a hospital in Belgium that uses our software. Our biggest customer is in France. We have 3 customers in Spain. We signed recently a contract for Hungary. We sold in Finland and in Sweden. So the company is expanding. We have not sold yet anything in the United States. And whether that's good or not, I thought, let me give a presentation here and see if this story resonates with the American audience. So that's my purpose. Presentation that I prepared, I will start with a problem. And I will go over 3 big issues that we needed to solve to get a solution out in the market. One was from a 100% cloud-based solution. We went to an on-premise solution, and finally, and that's why we're all here, to an embedded vision solution. Another big issue in this field is how to collect training data on patients. And finally, the processing of fisheye images. I will finish this off with a few takeaways, which are mostly business-oriented. But let's first start with the problem.